Hello there. I am the Rotten Roller, and I have a product review for you on this hot, almost a holiday weekend here in the Chicago area. I have two boxes here. One of these things is not like the other, not like the other, not like the other. One of these things is not like the other, and I don't remember the rest of the song. This is the O2COOL battery-operated fan. This one on the left here I picked up from Walmart a couple of days ago. I wanted something to put in my van when I'm hanging around with power off. Don't want to run down the battery. It runs on 6D batteries, and the D batteries make up the stand, the back of it, and it folds up flat. And I've seen some of these van guys on the YouTube turn this into a ceiling mount fan by putting a chain on it or something, cutting a hole in the top of their rig so they don't have to buy the Max Air or whatever the heck they're selling for 60, 70, 80 bucks, 100 bucks. Kind of neat. Hands up. Has 2 speed settings, I believe. High. Low. Well, anyway, a couple of days later, I was at Menards, our favorite hardware store up here in the Midwest. We like them because they're kind of like the old school hardware stores. They display everything really nicely. It's a nice store, too. It's not pallet racks like the depot where you get run over by a forklift. And the people are always really super nice at Menards. And the aliens are attacking right now. Hear that? SHTF. So you better get your battery-operated fans, people, because the world is coming to an end. Anyway, this fan at Menards is battery or electric operated. It comes with an AC adapter. Look at that. And a guy like me, AC adapter included, a guy like me likes to have options. So until the SHT really FLs, or Fs, whatever, I can run it with the AC adapter. And the fact that it has a jack probably means I can rig it up to a cigarette lighter adapter as well, which is another option when you're stuck in your truck with no D batteries, 6 of them, no less. So there you go, Walmart. Sorry, your buyers failed. Menards buyers did a much better job. I'm returning the Walmart one. I'm keeping the Menards one. All stores are not created equal, and we live in a country where there's competition and options. I've heard that from a lot of immigrants. They don't have a lot of choice where they live. They come to America and they're amazed that they have complete aisles with 40 different brands of bread on them. It is a great country, so happy birthday, America. Stay cool. I know I'm going to stay cool because I am just O2COOL. I'm the Rotten Roller. And click like, subscribe, share. Come on, buddies. Subscribe to my channel. We got to keep the lights on here. Got to keep the power on till the SHTFs or whatever. See you around. Happy birthday, America. Rock on and roll on.